Samukele mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele yithi laba futhi sesibuyile sibuya ekhefini sibangakhuluma mbukeli ukuthi usahlanganyele kanye nathi njengamanje sasingena ke ehoreni lethu lokugcina isikhathi sani ngoku madlongothi yini lekho kwamba
ha ndiqome kwaZulu mama
wouldn't you wish
sekujalo
ake siyibone naye ake sibona Ekhaya brothers ake sikhiphe la iyasinda makholi iyasinda sana ayisenhle
Kodwa ndiholde
ke nawe ave uyithanda izinto sala hayi cha inhle bandla ibethe
siyazinca
World Choir Games Ekhaya brothers
yini hayi siyazinca
shuthi nje kwathiwa the winners are Ekhaya brothers from South Africa.
What an honor si Ekhaya Jikelele sibe nabo ngatsho hayi intingane zidakandini
beka kholosa isikhathi sama headlines beka bukele njengamanje sibheka indaba ehamba phambili kuleli hora.
Isiceko saseGauteng sithi sichonge into ezintathu ezinokubanga unobangela woqhushululu olubangele uqhushumbo gxebe olubangele ukudilika kwesitalato iBree.
Asaqiqizisana ezinkantolo namanje amalungu ebandla lakwaShembe njengoba usashisa phansi nje umbango wesikhundla njengoba izolo abesenkantolo.
Isiceko saseGauteng sithi sichonge into ezintathu ezinokubanga unobangela woqhushumbo olubangele ukudilika kwesitalato iBree.
At this stage, our preliminary investigations have presented us with three possible scenarios for the explosion. These are ignition of methane gas in underground stormwater systems due to sewage ingress. The second possibility that we have and considered is the ignition of natural gas mixed with air, which is oxygen in this case, in the underground stormwater drainage system of the service ducts. The third and the last possibility that we have is the ignition of gas from a gas pipe burst. At this stage, only one of the above potential causes appear to be warranted. Accidental leakages of natural gas into the service duct reaching explosion concentration levels of between 5 to 15% and was ignited by a source unknown at this stage. The source of gas in the service duct is unknown. Investigation in this regard will continue.
Uhlangothi lwebandla lakwaShembe olwavunwa enkantolo ephakeme eThekwini ngo2016 embangweni wesikhundla sokuphatha leli bandla selinikele enkantolo lifuna ukunikwa imvume yokulawula ikomkhandlu noma ikomkhulu lebandla. Amahhovisi ekomkhulu lebandla senande enyakatho eThekwini kanti kuona ke umduduzi Shembe uyena ohola uhlangothi wasebuhleni. Umholo loluhlangothi ke uthi yena noma usolwa ngokushaya indiva umyalelo wenkantolo wathi akaphume aphele kulamahhovisi.
Ngemuva ukukhothama kwenkosi uvimbeni Shembe, umfowabo inkosi uVela Shembe nendodana yakhe inkosi umduduzi Shembe babandakanyeka empini yasenkantolo yokuphatha ibandla. Inkantolo enkulu yaseThekwini yanquma ngonyaka u2016 ukuthi inkosi uvimbeni iyona eyayiqoke inkosi uVela, yena waqoka inkosi uPhinda. Abasethemezindla abaholwa inkosi uPhinda bathi ngale kwalesinqumo senkantolo inkosi umduduzi ugoloza nokubuyisela ubuholi kubona.
Ebuhleni ikhona kuyinhloko yamathempeli onke emhlabeni nezinto zakhona kodinga ukuthi sibuyele khona kuwo wonke lawo mathempeli la kunezinto zebandla khona ithempeli likhona nezinto zakhona.
Abasebuhleni sebeyavuma ukuthi inkosi uVela uyena wakhethwa ngokusemthethweni ukuba abe inkosi yebandla. Kodwa ke bakholelwa ukuthi leso sinqumo senkantolo asasebenzi njengoba akhothama engakaphothula amalungiselelo akhe okubekwa ehlalweni. Njengoba bona ngo2018 bethi bayiqokela unyazi nakuba olunye uhlangothi luthi lwalungekho kuleso sigungu.
Inkosi unyazi lwezulu alibambile. Lento ekuthiwa actor alibambile isikhundla sobuholi lihleze esihlalweni sobukhosi inkosi yamaNazaretha. uye uphethe ibandla la eBuhleni Nazareth Baptist Church eBuhleni. Uma ehlezi lapho uhleli ngokusemthethweni akho umthetho esuphulile.
Isinqumo senkantolo ngalolu daba sigodliwe. Eyindabeni za SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eThekwini.
Abanye osoqoqosho bathi kubonakala ngathi i-tightening cycle yenkonzo enguvimba siyaza kuphela. Izolo lebhanki ibhengeze ukuba izawuthi qha kwinzala okokuqala ukusukela ngo-2021. Ngulisitsha Kganyago obhengeze ukuba esi sigqibo songatshintshwa kwale nzala.
Uphumlani Tyali obhekele ugunyazwa kweimvume zokuthengiswa utshwala Eastern Cape wethule ubufakazi ecaleni elimayelana nokuthengiswa utshwala kweingane endaweni yokucima ukoma eNyobeni Tavern eMonti. Kulesi sigameko kwaphangala lingane ngama-21 ngoNhlolanja wanyakenye.
Uphumlani Tyali nophuma kwibhodi ejongene nentengiso yotywala ephondweni wazise lenkundla ukuba abanini bendawo yentselo yaseNyobeni batyeshela umthetho eLiquor Act. Ukwagxininise ukuba uVuyokazi Ndevu nebhaliswa ngegama lakhe yelayisenisi unoxanduva lento yonke yenzeka kwindawo yentselo noba akekho yena ubuqu. Ukanti umasipala ombaxa eBuffalo City ukhuphele impepha esisibini nalapho besaziswa khona ukuba unenjongo zokudiliza isakhiwo sentselo kuba sakhiwe ngokungekho mthethweni. Abazali bamaxhoba abavumelani nelinyathelo.
Sizawudinga ubungqina obuthile phangaphakathi kwesasakhiwo xa besichitha ngoku ithetha ukuthi loo nto babulala ubungqina, which is bafuna ukwenza ke ngoku lena icase ingabi nabuzaza. So thina ke singaba bazali sihleli singathembanga kakade into edibene norhulumente kuyo le case.
Sona isisibini sale ndawo sithi siyaleqwa ngelinyathelo.
Kondo iphucukileyo to that document bezandike koneni is just nothing. So I will deal with it after the case, then they can continue. Besenza ndifuna uyenza, then I will deal with them later.
Elityala limiselwe umhla we-23 kunyanga ka-August. Abongile Yankisi kwiindaba ze-SABC eMonti.
Ngaphambi kokuba uphume kaloku umbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele siyaqinisekisa into yokubana urhabule ufince kuqikelelo lwemozulu.
Siphinde sinamukele babukeli la ekhaya Jikelele. Kanti ke sesibuya ezitolo Madlungothi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ke sixoxe ngeindaba ezitrendayo.
Sizaqhubeka kaloku neza izolo yawuqonda ukhumbule kaloku into yokubana olwaqhushumbo lwapha eNewtown eBree beluzeke emzekweni kuthethwa kaloku kukhona kaloku nomnumzana uPanyaza eqinisekisa into yokubana ayoqhushumbo oluthelenzeka phaya.
No, osakuphumile manje ke kuthiwa iDepartment of Mineral Resources umnyango wezokumbiwayo usuqinisekisile wona ukuthi cha uqhuma lokhu akudalwa ngamazamazama noma illegal mining okumbiwa ngokungekho emthethweni. Futhi ke kuyabonakala ukuthi ezinye indawo ke lapha eGoli kayisenawo ugesi phela as a result of ke lokhu kuqhuma. uPanyaza ke abantu lapha ko Twitter ke basho khona ukuthi hayi bazizwa ngathi uPanyaza is all over the place taking over everyone's duties. Shuthi babona ukuthi ungenelela kuzo zonke indawo kodwa ke phela umsebenzi nje ka Premier lo vele ukuthi uhleze ebheka. So ke umtweet wokuqala noma umuntu oqala uSamson Balo yotweetile uthi yena this thing happened in Johannesburg, the mayor should handle it. Why Panyaza le Sufi is everywhere. Oh shuthi usho ukuthi ena uba uGwamandi kumele ngabe uye o. Ayi but mina ngibona ngazi ukuthi nabantu ugcina sekuhamba bengasazazi ukuthi bafunani ngoba phela ukuba kenzile ukuthi ngabe kuthi uhlezi manje ke ulaphana into ayenzayo laphana ukuthi uyasiza nayo ukuthi kutholakala isombululo ngokusheshsha.
Noma Kabaza uthe waphefumula esithi Panyaza when he was asked where he wants to see himself in 5 years, he says he wants to be the president. He is so sure that he qualifies. So into ethi ngokwa abantu abasathembi ncam isikhokelo sakhe uPanyaza ngenxa yalento mhlawumbe.
No, ukuthi kanjani uMonsieur Greg yena uthini? No one has a difficult job like Joburg Mayor. He can't even have a media briefing in peace without Panyaza Lesufi wanting to take center stage. JXP explosions. Ake kuthiwani ke ngamazamazama ukuthi amazamazama ona akuthiwani ngawo ngoba phela wona kuthiwa umnyango wezokumbiwa usushila ukuthi cha lokho akudalwanga ukuthi enabe kumbiwa. Athini ama tweets ngamazamazama.
uLarry Simo uye waphefumula ngezamazama esithi guests came from the zamazamas. Why you so quick to dismiss any involvement by them? Did they procure your services or the foreign workers of yours as is Zamazama by night?
Commandant General Babazile yena uthi why are you protecting Zamazamas without a full report? You have a stake in the Zamazamas. Shuthi abantu bakholela ukuthi ena indaba ukuthi kuthiwa kusamazamazami ngoba bakholela ukuthi bona laba bantu izikhulu iziphathimandla nazo zikhona lapha isebenzisana nawo lamazamazama.
Into ethi nje bayaphikisa kwa ilento ezisiwe ngu-Department of Mineral Resources. Ukulwana naye ke uphefumule pha kwikhasi lika Twitter uthi they are going to blame the Zamazamas. This was clearly a warning. Hey!
Hayi ziyashisa indaba ngibonile lapha kwi list of what's trending khona nomna kwethu usuka ayibona lo show.
No, yes ngeke ndayibona.
Ngiyayibona la ikhona lapha u-number 2 kwezi trendayo.
Hey, umna kwethu kwenzeke ntoni kuba kaloku abantu bavele bangene kule nkqubo mhlawumbe ufumanisa omnye akanayo imali ngokuba khalaze ke ngokamanini ba hey andizokwazi ungena kolisapho because
hayi ke ngiyakutshela undodana walaphana shuthi nayo makuthiwa imbiza ukhamba lifuza imbiza izulu sisho njalo uthi indodana iyofana nobaba hayi nje ke sibona lokho ke nathi lapha yana kulolo hlelo njengamanje ke embukeli ke sithi nje ke qhwi8 lo sobuye emva kwedolo. Siphinde sikamukele embukeli ekhaya Jikelele kanti mabe sibhekeze emidlalo ususemama umqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba ku netball kanti ahamba kahle kamalungiselelo eqembu lesizwe Proteas njengoba eyingxenye yalomqhudelwano uzosingathwa idolobha iKapa. Zisithupha nje kuphela izinsuku eseyisele ngaphambi kokuthi ke lo mqhudelwano uqale iInternational Convention Center eKapa kanti phela kuzobe kungoqala nqa ke ukuthi ubanjelwe ezwenikazi eAfrika. Lo mqhudelwano ngonyaka u2019 wawubanjelwe eLiverpool kwelamangisi. iNew Zealand ke iyona ke yaba ngompetha kulo mqhudelwano iguqisa iAustralia ngegoli kanti amangisi ke okwakuyiwo sokhaya agcineke elele isithathu. iNingizimu Afrika iqhathwe kuPool C kanye neJamaica, iWales kanye neSri Lanka.
Ake uthule mfana ukulunywa ngethewu 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 olale sikhuluma ngetheku ulalele sikhuluma ngetheku ake ulalele sikhuluma ngetheku ake ulalele sikhuluma ngetheku
konani
ethekwini kumnandi ngoba unolwandle
konani ethekwini
iICC
konani ethekwini
iPavalio uzethekwini amahotela negateway ikhona
konani ethekwini
isikhumulo semikhumbi abanye bathi semtateni kukhona risho mfana eceleni kweKings Park basanda kusakhela ikasino thina
ethekwini
kukhona iKing Shaka
ethekwini
kukhona umkhandlu omkhulu nayo
umongameli uMandela wavotela phim
ethekwini
Union yalontshwa phim
yalontshwa ethekwini
unqophela yomhlaba yoqeda ubandlululo yabanjelwa phim
ethekwini ungabantu bafuna ukuzethekwini osekhona ufuna ukuzethekwini uphineza ufuna ukuzethekwini uphesheya kwezilwa ufuna ukuzethekwini thina lethekwini sikibeli thina lethekwini sasikibeli kakasi
woza ma ethekwini woza wena uzobona woza wena uzobona woza wena uzojabula sinapho konke Shaka Marin ikho Shaka Marin ikho Shaka Marin ikho Isfire Casino ikho Rich City ikho Mega City ikho woza wena uzobona woza wena uzojabula ithe sayibambe ethekwini kwaze kwakhala befifa ithe sayibambe ethekwini kwaze kwakhala befifa ithe sayibambe ethekwini kwaze kwakhala befifa ngo-2010 sabashiya bekhala ngo-2010 sabashiya bekhala woza ma ethekwini woza wena uzobona woza wena
Sibonge kakhulu kwiKhola Brothers kanti ke mbukeli lapha endabeni sike sakubikela udaba olundaba mlonyeni nolushaqisa abaningi njengoba kuqebhuke umgwaqo emgoqeni uBri eGoli njengamanje ke inhlaka ezahlukene zimatasa zizama ukulungisa umonakalo iSABC ijubeke intatheli yayo unozintombi Mia mbukela sikwazise ukuthi ke lengxoxo soyenza sisebenzisa ulimi locela itiye kumlungu isingisi ngoba phela umuntu esokhuluma naye ke akaqondi kahlehle ulimi ke lukaMthaniya nozintombi sikubingelele ekhaya Jikelele welcome Sathemba ukuthi uyaphila can you please tell us what is happening right now where you at? Nozintombi, can you hear me?
Yeah, thank you so much. We are still here at the on Bree Street, and where we're standing right now, we are on Bree Street here, and we're standing where there has been a cordoning off of the street. And I'm going to step out of shot just to allow my camera colleague Sia to show you where we are and on what the scene looks like right now. So we know that from yesterday, the Gauteng Premier as well as government officials have been cautioning people from walking in the street. So what they've done overnight is put these barbed wires here. The street itself is still an active site. You can see that there are some technicians from Igoli Gas here looking at the pipelines, some city power officials as well, trying to assess and see what the problem is. We know that at about 7:30 in the morning, they did bring some of the people from the emergency services, because they said that they had been called to an active site. You can see that there's even a little fire hydrant that's over there. But again, the problem of people walking in the street and not adhering to the safety rules and regulations. You can see that only one side of Bree Street has been cordoned off, and only one side that has got actual passengers walking on the passage itself. And this is on one side it's safe and it's okay, but on the other side, with the passengers themselves not walking in the street, it becomes very problematic. So we're going to try and walk a little bit more and try and speak to some of the people that are hawkers here. You know, one very interesting thing that happened, we spoke to two young men who live in the street and who sleep here in the street, and they had basically said that since Wednesday they have been struggling to find a place to sleep in, and that it has been such a big struggle for them to be able to get some sort of assistance. And these are the young men that we spoke to here. Hi guys, how are you? We're back again. Just tell me, what did you guys see on Wednesday? You say you guys are people who live here on the street. What did you guys see on Wednesday? What happened?
Okay, the first thing we saw was just the start of an explosion of the gas.
Explosion.
Yeah. So all the cars were going up. Everything was just fucked up. The tar road just open.
Do you speak Zulu, my brother?
Yes.
Just tell me in Zulu what you saw on Wednesday.
Okay, it's when a cracker in it is we explode the gas, or cracker, and then the motors are Zulu, wabalega abantu wafa abantu, bavuleka strata and then safalega. That's all we saw.
What happened when emergency services came? Did they move you guys? Because you say you guys live a little bit further down there.
Yeah, they chased us from this place.
So where did you sleep?
We tried to sleep here.
And since Wednesday, have you had any assistance? Have they come to give you any food or water or anything?
Nothing at all. Yeah.
My brother, you were also one of the gentlemen that we spoke to. What now? What do you think needs to happen? Do you think that maybe they need to give you guys assistance with at least even water, even food, something, anything? They've removed you from where you were sleeping. They've put you here. They've inconvenienced you and your situation. What do you think needs to happen going forward?
We're supposed to get someone to help us get something like blankets, food. Because here in the street, there's no one to help us. You see, there's no one. We must make our plan for us. See, my sister. There's no one who can help us here now. It's just they just look at us, live this life we live.
Thank you so much, boys. We really appreciate you guys speaking to us. We're going to move back into the main road where we'll just end off with the shots that you can see. As I said, where we're standing here, we're standing on front Brundies and Bree Street. You will see that the road is still cordoned off. But you know what the two young men are saying? The forgotten people who live in the streets of the CBD, the people that have no homes, the people that have nothing, also affected, begging and asking for some sort of assistance to be assisted in this situation as well.
information as to who is responsible for this. I mean, yesterday there were names, Sasol, what is actually happening? Izindaba, I was just asking if you guys have gotten any update with regards to who is responsible for this, because there were names like Ekhaya and Sasol and all of that. Have you guys maybe gotten clarity on who is actually responsible for this explosion?
Happening here. Yes, we do know right now that the city manager of Johannesburg basically has said that there is three possible scenarios of what it is that has happened, and that we know that underground, where the gentleman, what you're seeing right now is gentlemen standing in front of a dugout hole, and there are pipes that are running through that dugout hole, and those pipes are pipes that relate to city power, that give electricity, that give water as well as gas. And what we are hearing right now from Igoli Gas is that they did establish that there was a small problem with their gas pipelines there, but what they are saying still is that it is still not clear what the root cause of the explosion was. We have spoken to some experts that say that it was likely that there was already a leak that had happened earlier on during the day, and that leak had caused a lot of pressure that led to the explosion that we saw on Wednesday. But at the moment, the big issue is that there is a lot of speculation about what possibly could have happened. They still have not confirmed the cause of it. There are, as the Premier of Gauteng had said, that there are three possible scenarios. They do have their experts here. We do know that Igoli Gas has had their teams out here since Wednesday. We know that City Power have also had their teams, as well as Joburg Water. They've had their teams here, in the thick of things, really trying to see what exactly it was that had happened, and that whether or not the small leak that Igoli Gas had detected on Bree Street was really the ultimate cause of what really had caused the chaos that we saw on Wednesday with the explosion. However, we have been cautioned to make sure that we do not call it a gas leak, as the cause of the actual explosion is still not known, while the three scenarios are still being tested by the experts from the city.
Well, thank you so much for your updates, and please keep safe there. We still want to get more updates, so we really wouldn't want anything to happen to you. Just take care of yourself and make sure that you are at a safe distance away from that place. Thank you so much. Mbukeli lawo ke bekunozintombi miyabe sixoxisana naye ke mayilana nomgwaqo lapha eBree esitshela nje ukuthi sekuyikuphi yokwenzeka njengamanje njengoba enkanise khona. Uyasho ke naye ukuthi hayi uxoxisane nabalisa nje ke abancanyana abakhona laphana abahlala emgwaqweni. Sixolise ke Mbukeli ngomunye wabo othe ukukhuluma ngolimi lolu oluthe kushona eceleni kancane simxolisele ngaleyo ndawo. Okwamanje ke sinje qu 8 lama sibuye khona uKholosa u-iPhone ubecula manje kusehlezi phansi uzoxoxisa kanye noKholosa emva kalokho bese ke esiculela futhi ungayindawo kembukeli kusekhaya hlala phansi nethezeke.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha ekhaya jikelele kwinqubondaba yakho uDTT. Well, intatheli yemvumi ye-hip hop eyazenzela igama njengo-Ifani izimisela ukubuya emculweni emva kokunyamalela ixeshana. U-Ifani ke uphakathi kwabaculi abambalwa abathe baphakamisa ulwimi lwesintu kwicandelo le-hip hop, nanjengokuba ubuninzi bengoma zakhe zibhalwe ngolwimi lwesiXhosa. Phakathi ke kwezinye ingoma ezamenza waduma ingoma ethi uzumdlalela ingoma ezimnandi nethi shake shake make it dangle. Nalapho ke sele uphumelele imbasa ezahlukeneyo. Sithetha nje sizawuqhuba udliwano ndlebe naye ukufumana banzi ukuba apho ukuba ebeko uphi umqolomba kwakhala nyonini njengoba seyifika ngale mini namhlanje. Ayifani
hayi mani
Wangena uhlathi, wangena ulisa, wangena ujamba.
Ngimlowo,
yes, siyakwamkele ekhaya Jikelele.
Inkosi kakhulu.
Jonga njibila ndifunda nje intro yakho because ineza ways zakho.
Uyakhumbula mos shake. Ewe.
Hayaka sebenze
Ngono zame ewe niyo leyo. Ndimlowo.
Ngela xesha jonga ubusiqhuqhisa. Usenza busy usibambe ngobhongwane uperforma I mean uwina ne-awards abantu ke bebengazi into yokubana wawuphansi koxinzelelo lwengqondo ngelo xesha usonwabisa wade wabe kanti uthatha nekhefu sangakubona abantu bebuza into yokubana bokwakhala nyonini ku-iFani kuba kaloku ubuyintshatsheli ingakumbi kolulwimi lwesiXhosa uqoqoza usiququzelela ingaba kwakhala nyonini kwaye ungasithela nje usinikeze umboniso wezinto besenzeke ebomini bakho.
Manibulele kuqala ngendlela othethe ngayo ngami ndinguye uIfani ngexesha ndingutata waka Inyani utata kaZenazi utata kaMusa
ayimani
ngela xesha ke dandisenza umculo ndisenzo ewe ndishake kwindawo yonke apha eSouth Africa ndandinomusa but andingenalo ixesha lohlala naye because ungalibali ukubana from uLesine ziyatsha uyabizwa uIfani makazo perform ngoLesihlanu ndi everywhere gqibelo cawa until Monday ekuseni Monday ekuseni unyana uye esikolweni yabona mboni so kwakho izinto ezasihlele engqondweni yambana ndizade ndilifumane nini ixesha lami khosoloko ndibizwa phana nabantu bayithanda energy yami once ngene stagini uve uqhitha umlilo yabo kuvuthe same time
uvutha kulapha ekhaya
yayiva ke yayiva so abantu bebendifuna kakhulu so ndazicelela mina phakathi ngokunokwabana man ndicela ixesha ngoduke ndekhaya
wagoduka wayekhaya siyathi isiXhosa into yokubana elona chiza xa ubona ingathi jonga uphakathi konxunguphalo kwintaba yemibuzo goduka uyekhaya lichiza elo ungathi mhlawumbe ngokupha kwiphondo laseMpuma Koloni zintoni izifundo kuba ngoku so away from oshake ewe uzolile udibene ngqona indalo ungathi mhlambe zintoni izinto owaye wazifunda kwaye ngokugoduka kwakho ungathi into yokubana wafudumala yabalichiza kuwe lonto
njalo sesiwami njalo ngempela njalo nyanyana because ugoduka kwami dinda uva umoya wami bana upholile ngoku ungalibali eBhayisi nolwandle amanzi angapheliyo apheli nani na ulwandle ehleli lukhona amazi ahlele khona incedile kakhulu into yokuyelwandle ndipholisa umphefumulo wami kwazalwa abantwana phambi kwami ndakhulisa uBlackberry uBlack Keezer mntana
high five Blackberry hey naye nobufuza uyise
ayingowami ngoka sister wami
but kaloku uyayazi kwaXhosa intobana abakasisi ngabakamalume ilonto
njalo so wakhula ke phambi kwami after khula kunjalo kwathi gqi wami ke ngoku yebo
wawubhize istage ongadlalanga
bekumande ekhaya
ubuthi ewe
kuvula kuthi hayi akasebenzi ngcono zabo ewe
waphuma boy
so ndafunda ukugada ukutyala ukulima zange ndalima ebomini bami ndafunda ukuxhela imagine ndimdala ndikwazi noxhela ndafunda into ezinjalo zokuxhela ndaya nasemakhaya emaXhoseni ndofunda into ezininzi phana so ngamanye amazwi ndimXhosa opheleleyo mani ngoku
onganxengwanga uyayiva and ezinto zibalesayo mhlawumbe omnye uzothi suka ayonto ingako kanti it's the little things that counts and zizinto mhlawumbe ongeke ukuzithenge because uachieve lento kuthiwa inner peace abantu abaninzi abangenayo
njalo
ndasekhaya ubuyile ngoku
ndibuyile ngoku
back by popular
ubuyile no size 9 babo
you jonga
high five yes
yabo ndasekhaya ubuya jonga no solo point abanye nabo xa beqhekeka ndikubonile xa uperform ba ubane uthi ilonto zikrazukile kukhona nebag kubhizi kuningi kwenzeka ntoni
ndijonge mntase bendihleli ekhaya mntase hayi ndiyeke ndikhwaye banjo mntase bendihleli ekhaya mntase ndityiwa bubomi iisharks zandiluma izinja zandiluma intwazana zandiluma kodwa ndifuna ukuthi ndisaphelele
usaphelele
inhliziyo yami
isaphelele into ebalulekileyo leyo mntasekhaya njengoba ubuya nje ubuya with a different look it's like ayifani hayi mani uphethe ibag like it's a different look ithini inspiration kule look unayo mntasekhaya
i-inspiration ithi ubomi bundithwaxile ubomi bundibethile bundilumile kodwa ndisaphila and ndibuyile ke ndizosebenza ndiphethe ibhegi ndize emsebenzini because emculweni siyaphangela apha umsebenzi lona ukuthi ilento le isityisayo lento isinika imali ezimpokothweni zethu
ibeka ukutya etafileni
beka ukutya etafileni
into ethi mntasekhaya noba ukweyiphi ingxaki iyadluleka chuncembe ngalamandlu nawo mntasekhaya kune-album entsha uyabangena lalela
yewe ndibuyile
speaker mntasekhaya
ndibuyile ujambasi
and siyasaphawula into yokubana apha kwi-hip hop iba khona laa nto yebeef ufumanisa into yokubana nivana amandla nizi-artist and sizayiqaphela kaloku wena phana no-Ekhaya ngaphambi kokuba sweleke anga moya wakhe ungalala ngoxolo kwaye ke uye wacollaborator naye uBralux right uBravo yes kwingoma yakho entsha wayicacisa into yokubana hayi man ibingeyo le beef abantu abacinga bayiyo why did you feel the need into yobana uclarify
number 1 ndiyahlonipha idlozi kakhulu siyahlonipha idlozi and after umuntu noba besenza ntoni emhlabeni after umuntu ewelile kweli phesheya uba mkhulu kuni uyabo so ndiyamrespekta noba besenza ntoni noba benjani so after umjita u-Ekhaya esishiyile iye yaphela yonke into yobujita nobu-Ekhaya nobukhwenkwe bakhe because ngoku lidlozi so ndimrespekta as idlozi so ndithi kulaa ngoma nam ndiyazazi ndiyeza ngenye imini ndizohlala nani edlozini but before ndifike apho ndifuna utsho ngoku ukubana ndixolile phefumlo wam uxolile the-right beef yethu ayisekho and nawe may you please rest in peace
oh Camaku wathetha kamnandi ndiqinisekile into yokubana njengothetha nje amathambo ayanyakaza yintoni ngoku into elindelekileyo kuyo u-Ify because ufike wagaleleka jonga
kuzoba yonke into esendleleni
khaba mntase ngena wophele
uyangena ulisa uyangena ujambase third quadrant ndanditshilo ebantwini ndathi bantu ndize apha kulo mculo ngeequadrant eziyi-4 first quadrant lo bene-ewe noshake nengoma ezimnandi nomili second quadrant lona beno-ayadelela bendiculela apha ayadelela and-so ke uFebruary uyamthanda i-Eastern Cape uFebruary upha ku-second quadrant so ndiyabuya ke ngoku no-third quadrant and ndifuna ukuthi mane kwabantu ababukeleyo nakuwe ndiyabulela kwabantu abancinci bebendibukela ngoku bendikhupha first quadrant because ngoku bakhulile and ndiyabava because imiculo yabo bayayiposta bayanditheka and ndiyayiva imfundiso yam apha ezingomeni zabo so ndiyabulela kunonke bafethu ngothanda umculo wam nani bosisi nani bantwana ndiyayibona imisebenzi yenu
uzikhulisile nyhani nam bendikuthanda uewe ndingamqalela ekuqaleni sizawuthi qhwi masiye dispanaqi soloko ndimenqo imalayithi soloko imenqo bajita kutheni ndikrebisaqo
isithi ingathi yipoetry kanqo ibambile high five
Mntasekhaya enkosi kakhulu ngokuba usindwendwele hey I cannot wait for i-performance yakho xa suyiqwela uyiqongqothela joka kusazoba lithi mbukeli we-Ekhaya jikelele ayimani ngoku masiye kumamtshali
hayi ziyabuya ke kajikelele khona sabazo bakequke nezitulo bawe beshaya ama-high five yazi yamnandi ke leyo interview kanye lapha no-Ify njengamanje ke mbukela siqhubekele phambili ngoba nami njengoba ngihlezi nje la ngihlezi ngedwa ngihlezi nezivakashi lapha endlini zomsakazo sivakashelwe uchairman Chamunati uzosixoxela kabanzi ngomsebenzi wakhe uchairman sikubingelele sikamkele chairman
ngiyabingelela mama ninjani
hayi siyaphila ake siqale nje ngegama chairman liphuma phela igama lakho owethiwa lona noma ulithole ngendlela
igama liyazalelwa ne-dress code
yes
ne-dress code yanginika igama lobu-chairman ngoba into engiyenzile ngenze something different from everyone ngithathe i-archer ngayinika isithunzi i-archer yaba ne-dignity so ngaba yi-chairman ngokuthatha i-archer yazi i-archer is just a simple thing elokishini but mina ngithathe ngayi-dignifya
Yes, so vele ke yabona hayi usuvele wangena kuyo eze archer mbukeli. Uchairman ke ukhiqiza iarcher. Nansi iarcher sinayo lapha mkwethu yabona nje ngizwa ngephunga nje sengivele ngalamba mangizini
unayo yakho.
Kwaze kwamnandi ekhaya. Manje awungitshela bekukuningi izinto obungayidayisa. Why ukhethe iarcher?
Kunezinye izinto awuzikhethi zikhetha uNkulunkulu ngithengisa ayikho into engayidayisanga but when it comes to a calling uNkulunkulu akhethela i-calling ukuthi specific wena uzolungisa iqathula or uzoyenza iqathulo so mina ungikhethe earcheni but athi ngenze sho ukuthi amafutha angeke akangitheli ngoba abantu abafana nawe they won't buy it
mangichamolile
phela yes
manje sokumuhle kanjena msuyidayisa le archer yakho uyidayisa kuziphi indawo futhi
khona manje ngidayisa phakathi kwe-mall is the first time ever i-archer ingena phakathi kwe-mall phambi kweyitolo ezinkulu abo Truworths abo ini zona first time ever uNkulunkulu glory to the God.
Manje awungitshela ke ngicurious mina ngokwazi ukuthi ke so i-archer le nje obuyidayisa uyayenza wena ngezandla zakho?
Yes ngithenga i-raw i-green.
Oh imango bese kuyaqoba yahlanganisa ufaka izithako nezithako
iza iqobile mina ngifaka just ama secret ingredients
ukuthi nje bemnandi idlule yomuntu
yazi into important nge-archer ukuthi umuntu ufanele mawuyithengile so ayifanele ngilale fanele uyidle nge-one day phele ngenxa ukuthi imnandi uyidle nga-anything uyidla yes ma'am.
So ngiya-understand ukuthi la business lakho le-archer uhlomulisa kakhulu abantu besifazane like women nabo baya-benefita from this awusichazela ukuthi kanjani?
Yazi meme ngisizwa abantu abakunomunye umuntu bambiza uMaisolo ubuya ngapha eNorthwest he's a successful businessman izinto azenze ahamba nami ungifundise ubuntu ukuthi ngibe nenhliziyo yokupha so khona manje each and every time nginamalanga ngiyachuza ukuthi no ngizonika abantu abomama abangase yazi kubhlungu ungasebenza umama uthola 700 yesasa then ufuna ukuvula ibusiness mara mongathatha le mali yakho yesasa wavula ibusiness ngayo abantwana ngeke badle so mina ngifuna abantu abafana nalabo ngibanike amabhakethi wama-archer for free just to empower them nakaqeda ukuyithengisa if ufuna ukuchubeka nge-archer ngimnika i-supply ukuthi ahambe azenzele but if ufuna ukuthengisa amaswidi uzaphumelela ahambe ngamaswidi wakhe into engibhekile ukuthi abomama abafani nami mina ngahamba ngawugubha umgodi wena ngeke bakuthathe mabathi uzomixa idaka so abantu abomama yibo abantu esikhathini esiningi abasafarayo ukudlula thina abobaba.
Manje ungathi iziphi ingqinamba mhlawumbe ekutheni uyiqalile ibhizinisi lakho nokuthi wena wedlula kanjani lezo ingqinamba?
Yazi mama la kunoNkulunkulu khona ne kunama ups and down lama ups and down i-training yoNkulunkulu nginika abantu babomama le-archer mawungabona ifridge yami kusesikhathini samanje ukuthi njani you love ngithatha imali yami ye-commission yonke ngiyidedicatele for ukunika abantu without any sponsors or any organization mina ngiyenza ngemali yasendlini eyami so into enokuba ukuthi ibenzimanyana kancane kimi but I will continue doing this
ngoba phela kusiza abantu ngiyezwa futhi kuthiwa nase endaweni lapho phuma khona izingane zakhona nje manje umuyibuza ukuthi usuyi-role model nabo sebefisa ukwenza lento yenzayo ngabe uzizwa kanjani nje wena ukwazi ukuthi usu-inspire nabanye ukuthi nabo benze izinto ezinkulu?
Yazi abantu bangayibona njenge-archer bathi i-archer sone but ngicreate imisebenzi khona manje la uhamba khona wonke ama-4 stop uthola abantu bamemakhonini bathengisa ama-archer ukhona omunye evale naye ugcoka amasutu uthengisa i-archer yabona ukuthi into engiyenzile nginika abantu i-idea bebanganayo so everyone now ustart ukubona ukuthi opportunity musinayo i-archer musi singaphuma mama ukuphumelela it doesn't mean ukuthi fanele uyenze into encane ikwazi ukuthatha bona khona manje i-archer ingifake kuphi
ikufaka into ngempela ngoba ngiyezwa sekuthiwa usunominatiwe for ama-awards awungichazela ngalawo ama-awards awukuphi wase-eTshwane?
ama-Tshwane Legendary Awards banginominatile labantu ama-awards ngenxa yanto engiyenzayo yes mina.
Hawu manje anini ama-awards azobe nini?
Ama-awards befanele abe ngathi ngoJune bapostponela kuSeptember but wona they are in pipeline.
Hayi musu uyitholile i-award yakho cela usishuthela phela isithombe usendele le award sibona cha inhle i-archer yakho manje for umuntu oyifunayo ke le-archer nayo ufuna uku-order ikakhulukazi futhi nomunye umama nayo obukayo njengamanje uselokishini somewhere ongazi ukuthi uzohlanganisa ini nani mhlawumbe yena ungathi utholakala kanjani ukuze bezokwazi ukuxhumana nawe?
Bathi Women's Day ngiyi-9 ngiyi-9 ngizobe nginika more than 12 yabomama amabhakethi wama-archer so ngikhona ku-TikTok ngikhona ku-Facebook nginama-phone number wami if uyazi ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi ufike eMabopane ngoba ngizobe ngibanika from eMabopane but into engibhekile iview yami ukunika abantu ama-province wonke.
So nje wonke umuntu uzokuthola ku TikTok igama lakho ku TikTok uchairman we-Archer.
Chairman Archer.
Yes, Makholi, usula.
Siyaqala siyayiqonqotha kanjalo. Enkosi kakhulu tata, siyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho. Right ubukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele sikushiya kanjalo kodwa ke uAyifani ukhona uthi hi mani nge-intro yakhe sinithanda ngothando lika love.
Nisale kahle.
Xa kunetha kuyavuza ngapha umntana uyagula andispani ndiyacula makazi yathanda unthuka jonga nje yaguga ngxaki zam ziyanyuka mali yami yavuthuka okay sure ndi-broke xa bethetha ngambanyuba khabatha zinakutya sisu somntana siyaluma ndenze nto ndiyabuza maqhina ndiyawanyuka nyawo zam zombi ziyanuka okoko ndigudla ungabuza nosidudla oh my friend bayadura nento zabo ziyaphuka musa sundipusha tata kuyathanda uqumba tata kuyathanda uphupha ophelela phinda wena ziyathanda unthuka jonga nje yaguga ngxaki zam ziyanyuka mali yami yavuthuka